Yes, you've been betrayed. Yes, you've been humiliated. Yes, you've been mistreated. But you have the power. You have an incredible power within you because God chose you to accomplish something that no one else is about to do. You have been handpicked by the Most High to rise above everything that has been thrown at you. Nothing, I said nothing, never killed you. Nothing will never beat you. Must definitively, because God touched you with the divine grace. You're untouchable. You are unbreakable, but you are special. You're not a random soul. You're destined for greatness. Everything that happened to you since you're a baby, I'm hearing, a child, prepared you for that moment. Invincible and invictus. You're a supreme being, I'm hearing. The power that resides within you is beyond your own imagination. You have the power to transcend time and space, to rise so high that you become aligned with God, source, frequency 234, very evolutive energy. You're about to remember the God that you are, creating the reality that you want to live in. Every single details you're going to create from your mind, because you have the power. Your power is gold. You are about to remember who you truly are by taking your power back. Everything that has been stolen from you from this lifetime or any other lifetime, you're ready to take it back. It involves you facing the energy of the enemy and suck them dry. Call what's yours, because this is your gold. This is your power. This is your creativity. This is your sexual energy, and they don't have the right to manifest from it. If you want to dig deeper, please check the codes I offer on my website and the masterclass. I'll help you take what's yours. Remember, this is your fuel. This is your gold. You call it back, and from there you become complete to manifest your desired reality. I send you so much love. I send you so much light. I send you so much truth. And until next time, be blessed. Namaste.